What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Reverend. Today we have the cheapest pool vacuum you could get on Amazon. Pool vacuum here. This is the Aiper cordless robot pool cleaner, the Seagull SE. Clearly, I needed a new solution to clean my pool. My bigger, more expensive, significantly more expensive automatic pool cleaner died, and I said, you know what, instead of going out and spending 11, 12, 1300 or more on a pool cleaner, let me try and find the cheapest one that I could find and see how good it is and rate it for you guys. So I bought this on Amazon. It was $300 and it had a $100 off coupon, which is still current at the shooting of this video. Don't know how long it's gonna last, but I only paid $200 for this thing, and they do have a newer model out, so they're probably trying to clear it out. The newer model is like $400 with like $90 coupon, so both are available if you choose to get it. So obviously I already opened this, I already used it. This is what comes in the box. So you got this, the manual, you know, pretty self-explanatory. Just charge it and go. A few more papers. Nice styrofoam inside the box. And I'll just show you guys quickly this is the charger for it. So you need to charge it. I don't know if it's just for the first time, but it says 2.5 hours and you get 90 minutes of battery. 90 minutes is more than enough time to actually clean the pool. Show you guys the device right here. So it's fairly small, about the size of a basketball. It's got the wheels on the bottom, and yeah, a little bit of water coming out of it because I did use it recently. The only thing I don't like about this one as opposed to the corded is that you have to have a pool pole thing. They give you a hook with it so you can pull it out of the water. You hook it onto this, which is nice. They give it to you, something to retrieve it. It's good. A few things that I directly noticed because I actually read before purchasing things is that if you guys do look to buy this or you're looking to purchase it, it is mainly for like above ground pools, like, you know, the half above, half in ground. But it needs to be flat. You can't have like, you know, like the in ground pools have the ramp. You can't have that. It's not going to work. It clearly says that in the product description. A lot of people in the review section were complaining about that. Just read before you buy something. Know what you're going to get before you get it. I mean, it's not that hard. It's written there clear as day. So anyway, end rant. So yeah, let's get into this. So LED indicator on here. It blinks to let you know that it's charged or not charged. The power button right there on the top, the blue one. And this is like the, you know, the pressure indicate, I don't know, but while using it, you know, it goes pretty fast. So I'm going to tell you guys right now, shoots across the pool and hits the wall, stops, and it will reverse itself all the way till it hits the wall on the other side. So it does not go up the walls. A few people were saying that it did. Not in my pool. It was saying that it needs to be like a complete 90-degree angle for it to climb the wall. I don't believe that because this thing was literally driving into the wall and stopping and then reversing itself all the way till it hit the other wall. So it does have a wheel here. You would think that it would just go right up, but I don't think that it has necessarily the proper suction to really get up the walls and clean it good. However, it does clean the bottom of the pool very well. I do not have any complaints at all. It's a typical, if you guys have ever used these automatic cleaners, it's not going to pick up, you know, sticks or twigs or anything like that, you know, but I have giant trees in my backyard. There's acorns in there. It picked up the acorns, it picked up the dirt, the leaves, all that stuff, you know, all the pain in the neck things to pick up in the pool. A twig or a stick, you jump in, you can grab it or scoop it up with a net or whatever. So yeah, the 4 wheels are on it. It has these little brushes to, I guess, direct it to the holes for the suction where it picks it up. And yeah, I mean, it's a sharp looking thing. It comes in like, I think, gray and white. there's two tabs on the side. I know you guys didn't see that, but tabs here, you picked it up, front and the back. The unit lifts up. Here's the inside of it. So this is the suction motor and all that gizmo in there. Here is a filter. So this is like, so you know, the water would get sucked in and then filtered through here, and the dirt would sit in here. So you know, it's a little, still got a little water in there, but the dirt sits in here, you know, the leaves and whatever other nonsense that it picks up, and it runs through this filter. Almost all of these that I've used, some dirt gets blown up through the unit, and that's normal. It's not gonna, this filter's not, you know, gonna pick everything up, you know, all the dirt and stuff that's in there. I don't have a problem. I did have dirt on the bottom of the pool, and it did pick it up, it did clean it. Probably some of it did get pushed up into the water and it got circulated out by my filter, but it did pick it up to where there was no longer dirt on the bottom of the pool. So here is the unit in action. I shot a quick clip of it, and you can see it shoots across the pool and hits the wall, and then stops, pauses for like 2 seconds, and then backs up completely, exactly how I described it to you guys. So yeah, overall, would I purchase this thing again? Yes, absolutely. For even the $300 price point, I mean, listen, it does what I needed it to do. I'm happy with it. I only paid $200, so I'm even happier about it. I do enjoy this product. I will hopefully not have to purchase a new one in a while, but if I do need to replace it, or if I needed to replace it today, I would go out and buy this unit. Maybe I would even consider upgrading to the 2023 model. That's just basically like a rectangle version of this. I'd probably end up getting that one just because it's the newer model, but this one, if you guys nail the deal on it, definitely go out if they're still running it. I'm not paid or sponsored by this company or Amazon for this video. Just bought it and figured throw out a video on it. But again, the cheapest one that's automatic, I should say, again, that's automatic, and you know, you just throw it in, let it do its thing. They do have cheaper options that you hook up to your pole, or it's like, it looks like a dust buster that you clean the pool with. I had one of those. I wasn't really happy with it. It didn't suck up like bigger leaves. It is what it is. This one's not gonna, you know, those big monster leaves, it's not gonna pick it up. It's just not gonna fit in there, and it is what it is. But for your general purpose cleaning, this tool, this vacuum is awesome. Again, I will purchase it again if I need to. So that's all we got for you guys today. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys own one of these, own something similar price point, put it down below. Let me know what brand you guys went with and why you went with it. Let's go. Let's get some interaction going. We answer all comments. Anyone that has commented before, you know that. And that's it. So new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and a few extras here and there. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss what we got coming. Take care.